Hello and welcome back to another video. You may remember, if you watched the last video, that I was riding this Honda Rebel 500 and wondering, do I want to keep this bike long term? I decided, because of the current state of things, yes I do, and we're going full force on it. So, first thing, we've got a trip planned next year. So, or it might be this year by the time this video comes out, because I'm a bit bad at editing these. So, yeah, I need to prepare this for future fun, shall we say. First thing it needs is luggage. Not much room for luggage, but I'm gonna fix that. So, I have ordered myself this. It is a box with a rack to go over here. It is the GIVI SR1160. I didn't remember that off the top of my head. I have some manuals here. Guess I gotta do some work now. I love how there's not much English on these instructions, but they got pretty pictures, so I guess I can figure it out. Screws out, rack on, screws in. Also, I like how it says either a 5 or a 6mm Allen key. Well, it's either one or the other, right? Now these ones appear to be a 6. My apologies, but I seem to have lost the footage of me actually putting this thing on. Anyway, like I said, 6mm Allen key bolts to this side, to the other side. Take them out, nice and easy. And then you are supplied with longer bolts in the box with the rack. So I'll simply slip them on, put a washer in between the rack and the bike itself, and happy days. As easy as that. Okay, that's about done. Like I said, the only issue is this side. It's not quite fully in. But then again, the bolt that was there before wasn't fully in either. And that's as tight as I can go. I'll round out the bolt otherwise. Bit of overspray in the oil there. As you can see, my bike actually gets ridden and not cleaned. It needs a wash, I know. But hey, don't need to wash the rack. Shiny new rack. So the only thing I can say is I might take that out just to take the washer out, because I don't know if that will rattle and annoy me. Actually, let's find out. Yeah, seems fine. Decided I'm actually going to take the washer. It's actually quite solid. I mean, as you'd expect. I'm shaking the whole bike with that. So yeah, that was me putting on the GIVI rack. If I want to put a top box on it, I can put a top box mounted onto that rack. Might do that in the future, I don't know. I don't really like the look of top boxes. Let me know what else I should do with the bike. Little things I can stick on it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, when we use that on a trip.